Hi, I'm Monica Petrucci. I'm the Senior Staff Writer of Kitchen and Cooking here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be talking about Green Chef. Like most meal kits, Green Chef offers a variety of different meal plans for different dietary preferences and restrictions, like keto, vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free. They offer a wide variety of meal options on every week's menu with about 30 different meals to choose from. What sets Green Chef apart from other meal kits is its commitment to organic and ethically sourced ingredients. Green Chef is a USDA certified company, which means every ingredient in your box is set to strict quality and certified standards. Green Chef is also the only meal kit that offsets all of its plastic and carbon emissions. Green Chef's different dietary options include keto and paleo, vegetarian, Mediterranean, fast and fit, vegan, and gluten-free. Here's what we like about Green Chef. Each meal comes packaged in separate bags for each meal, so you don't have to dig through a bunch of ingredients when you start cooking. And certain ingredients come pre-prepped, so things like sauces and marinades and sometimes even different produce already come prepped and ready to go into the recipe. Each recipe comes with a handy recipe card, which we love because they include handy lists like what you'll need for accessories, photos of different steps in the recipe process, and accurate time depictions, which usually take around 30 minutes or less. We also love that all of the Green Chef meals we tested are delicious, and they contain seasonal ingredients that are local and organic. Although we love Green Chef, there were a few cons that we found with it during testing. First, it's a little bit pricier than standard options. Each meal kit comes in at around $13 per serving, which is a little bit more than other standard meal kits, which usually range at about $9 or $10 per serving. The ingredients aren't always fresh. Because all of Green Chef's ingredients are organic and sometimes pre-prepped, they sometimes came out of the packaging looking a little bit wilted or browned. They were still fine to eat and tasty, they just weren't as fresh as they would be if I had just picked them up from the grocery store. Communication was lacking a bit. We didn't receive as many emails from Green Chef throughout the process, like when our order was shipped or when the deadline was to choose our meals for the week, like we're used to with other services. Overall, the pros are, each meal is conveniently packaged, the recipe cards are accurate and easy to follow, there are plenty of dietary options, and all meals were delicious and healthy. The cons are that it's pricier than other meal kits, ingredients weren't always at peak freshness, and the communication was lacking at times. Should you subscribe to Green Chef? Yes. All of the meals we tested from Green Chef were delicious, healthy, and organic. Even though it's a little bit pricier than other alternatives, we think it's worth buying if it's in your budget. For the full review, go to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.